Good morning, Veda. How are you today?
Good.
How good? Show me how good you are. Okay, and hopefully you guys are all that good too.
And I'm drawing a kitty.
Yeah, there you go. There I go. So let's draw a kitty that is wearing a mask to stay safe.
Yeah.
Take your lid off, and we're gonna draw the kitty ears first. So right up here, we're gonna draw a kitty ear.
I know how it's all.
Right up here. Yep. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Then we're gonna draw right across. And then he's got one more ear. 2 ears at the very top of his head.
Yeah.
Yup. And then right down here, right in the middle of his face, we gotta draw a big mask. Watch this. We're gonna draw a big square.
Yeah.
Yep.
And down.
Absolutely. Now, the mask has to stay on his head. So let's do a little elastic to the side of his head. Like that. Okay, and let's do one more. Do you want to draw one more line right there?
Yeah.
Yep. Or here, I'll show you.
You go lying down.
Yeah, that's kind of how the mask stays on. Yeah. Now let's draw another line on this side of the face, holding that side of the mask on, and another one right at the bottom. Okay, now we gotta draw the side of his face. So from the bottom of his ear, we're gonna come down to that line, and then we're gonna go under it and down.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, Veda. Same on the other side. Down,
I did it on the other side.
under, and there. Now, on his mask, should we draw little lines here?
I know how to do that.
Yeah. I like that so much. Okay, can the kitty see anything right now?
No.
Why not?
Since it has his face mask up.
Yeah, he doesn't have eyes. Should we draw some eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's draw one little eye right here.
Wait, how?
Yep. And a little dot in the middle for his eyeball. And then let's do one more eye on the other side and a little dot.
I think this do this.
Do you know what are these called? What's this hair above my eye called? What's that called?
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Should we give him little eyebrows?
I don't have room for my eyebrows.
Oh, that's good. And what else do we need? Whiskers.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do whiskers right in here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now let's draw his little paw coming down. And we're going to draw a little circle at the bottom. And then it's going to go...
Will you help me with that?
You want me to help you with that?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So I'm going to draw your little paw and then a little circle at the bottom and then back up. And do you want to do the claws?
I know.
Yup. That is good. I like
It
your
looks like a bee.
Yeah, it looks like bee claws.
But
Hey,
we have to have fun, right?
we gotta have fun. And Veda, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Guess what? Me too. Now should we draw his little back leg? So let's let's continue this line down.
I didn't do that. People have. Then we have to do this.
Yep. And then we're gonna draw his back leg. Look at this, Veda. Look at his back leg. What I'm gonna do here. Round out like that. And then we're gonna have a big long kitty leg there. Just like that. And then we can do more claws on that kitty leg. Yep. Now let's go, see on the bottom, Veda, right here, right by his paw, we're gonna draw a line straight over.
I already
And
did
then
that.
up. We're gonna draw a line straight down. We're gonna leave a gap here for his hand and a gap here for his foot. And now I'm gonna do his other back leg over here, like he's just sitting down, chilling out, staying safe, not getting sick. Right up here, we're gonna draw his hand. So he's gonna be waving. Ready? Watch this. We're gonna have his little paw come on up. Same with on this side. His little paw come up. And this is kind of the fun part.
And down again.
And then up and then down. And then this is gonna be where his paw is. So there's gonna be a big paw and then a bunch of finger paws. You're right, on this side we need a tail. So let's draw, look at this long tail.
I got a tail.
Should we draw little stripes? Little lines, watch this. Look at this, Veda. We can draw little stripes all the way down
I got
the tail.
big ones.
Oh, wow. Oh, buddy, that is looking great.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do any stripes?
I have to finish this. So do.
Mm-hmm.
This is my tail. So
That's your tail?
yeah, the neck.
Veda, I got a question. Should we do a heart
Yeah.
right up here? Do you know how to do a heart?
Mhm.
Okay, let's do a heart. Right up here.
Did you draw my help?
What about if your heart was right here? Now, you're gonna like this part. We're gonna do a big circle right around the heart, but it's gonna be open at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good one. And then we're gonna put a pointy at the bottom. Watch this. Watch this. Right at the bottom, we're gonna have the point go straight to the kitty. This is a funny little kitty. Does he need stripes? I think he needs a few stripes on his arm too, doesn't he? Do a couple lines in there, and he probably needs some stripes on this paw too.
Oh, yeah, yep.
And does he need any stripes on his back leg? Probably. We'll put a couple stripe lines in there.
And we have to have one stripe on it. Yeah, a bitty button.
Okay, so now Veda, do you remember we've got to sign our name? Can you sign your name? Where are you going to put your name? Right at the bottom? So, and I'll spell my name too.
With you do yarn too.
Yep.
My name?
That is
Good.
most of your name.
This is your name.
Yep.
And this is my name.
Yep, this is my name. It says Daddy, and yours says
Veda.
Awesome. Can I ask you a question? Did you have fun drawing your kitty?
Yeah.
How much fun?
This much fun.
This much fun.
Did you have fun?
Did you have fun drawing your kitties? Hopefully, and hopefully you're staying safe just like this kitty. Big thumbs up. Mm-hmm. Thanks for drawing with us.
We don't want to wash our hands every day.
Yeah, although washing your hands every day is a good idea, right?